Hello again people, and welcome back to my channel. In case you guys are new to my channel, I'm JT, and today actually we'll be heading over to a new place called Oriental Cafe. Apparently this place is quite newly opened, and I think there's quite a big crowd here. The food is fantastic from what I heard. Anyway, we're just going over there to check it out, so join us. Up to you, go inside. Okay, under today I think I'll go for Oriental chicken hor fun, which is actually recommended as well. What else are you calling?
I take the egg tart. I think the egg tart is signature.
The signature, is it? Go ahead for the signature. Egg tart. Tarts are here. Okay, that's my hor fun. Prawn and the hor fun, everything's here. Looks appetizing. Egg, Siam chicken, tarts, coffee, everything's here. Let's go. Squeeze the line first. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a beauty? Yeah?
Very nice.
Nice? Tasty? Okay. Later we try the tarts. Now let's try this. Quite okay. I'll use a bit of sambal or chili. Get some chili. 有辣椒吗？来stop。辣椒。
小辣椒。
Okay. Thank you.
Ayam rempah.
You use ayam rempah, is it? Okay. Ayam rempah. You got a small piece, I tried. Just a small piece only. I want to try it. Okay, this side ayam rempah. Let me pick it. No wonder. You marinate the thing. Here comes the drink. Wow.
Nice.
Huh?
Nice.
Nice, Seriously. Give a nice face. Happy face. Oh, she says this is good. Give big prawn. Same time. I will try the taste now. Try the broth. Yours is better. Yours is the recommended. They never put for me. Hey, wait. Okay. Now she tries. Nah?
Prawn taste.
Describe the taste. Okay, now you try that. Mark Windsor.
Very good.
Huh? Yeah.
Can't touch this.
You just give me one small piece and try. Take two.
Very nice. Sweet.
skin, crispy. This is also very flaky inside. Egg tart's not too sweet. Goes well with the coffee. I wanted to give you a pair. You don't ask for one, you ask for two. It came in one plate, that's two.
I didn't know. I thought the
Ah,
price is a bit expensive.
macam mushroom there.
The price is a bit expensive. That's why I didn't know it's 2 piece. I never see. But if it's 2 piece, then the price is okay.
Good, good. That goes well with the coffee. Go with the coffee. Oh, 49. What was your favorite?
All are so nice.
I mean the tarts, the mee siam, everything. Chicken was very nice, marinated.
Yeah.
Overall, the food was quite good. I wouldn't mind coming back here again. But I guess now we have to make a move for another location. So I catch you guys later.
The next day.
Okay guys, welcome back. Anyway, it's just slightly after 7:30. I'm just thinking of going for some street food. Still haven't decided what shall I have for tonight. But anyway, let's go and check out. You need 什么鱼？Bari 啊，Bari 连
我猜到看你1、2、3、4都可以选。
kangkong 啦。
kangkong 啊，哪个号码啦？
我找位咯。
OK，谢谢你。
Okay guys, after running around, I finally found the place. Tell you guys later. Okay guys, what is this? They have chinchalok, stingray, eggs, and kangkong or morning glory they call it. With the lime curd, the egg. Let's do a bit of chinchalok first. Wow.
Triple kill!
You know, for $10 meal, this is a pretty sweet deal, man. This particularly they use stingray. The chinchalok is the one that kills you, man. Oh, this is the real one. I'm going to enjoy this. that's a wrap. Thanks again, and again, remember to share, like, and subscribe, and drop comments as well. I'd like to hear from you guys, and stay tuned for the next couple of weeks as well, because there's some interesting vlogs coming up pretty soon. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Signing off.